Now we're going to do letters and sounds. Did you know that every letter has a sound? If you didn't know, we'll go over the letters and sounds very quickly. Starting with A. A makes the sound A. B makes the sound B. C makes the sound K. D makes the sound D. E makes the sound E. F makes the sound F. G makes the sound G. H makes the sound H. I makes the sound I. J makes the sound J. K makes the sound K. L makes the sound L. M makes the sound M. N makes the sound N. O makes the sound A. P makes the sound P. Q makes the sound Qu. R makes the sound R. S makes the sound S. T makes the sound T. U makes the sound V makes the sound V. W makes the sound W. X makes the sound X. Y makes the sound Y. Z makes the sound Z. And those are our letters. But we're going to focus on the letter P because that is the letter of the week. This is a capital P. Capital P looks like this. The sound it makes is P. 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 We are going to watch a video to help you understand the sound that P makes, and then we're going to discuss things that start with P. Wasn't that video fun? Next, we're going to talk about things that start with P. Do you know what these things are? This is a potato. This is a pot. This is a penguin. Remember Sergio the penguin? This is a penny. These are peas. This is a pie. This is a pig. And this is a pin. Do you hear the p sound that I'm making when I say all these things? Now we're going to learn how to write the letter P. You can print this sheet out and write along with me.